Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Tips. Hope you almost well. Today our drawing I about how to draw a French fries. Start with the container. Draw a rectangular or square shape with slightly rounded corner at the top to represent the container. The box or paper sleeve. It could be a box with an open top for a classic fast food sleeve. Step 2. Outline the fries. Inside the fries, draw several long, narrow rectangles or lines that are stacked vertically. These lines should slightly vary in length to make the fries look more natural. Step: make sure the fries are spaced out to avoid a crowded look with some pieces peeking off the container. Step 3. Detail the fried edge, slight curves or jagged edges to the fries to give them a more crispy, uneven look. Detail the fries. A slightly curved or jagged edge to the first to give them a more crispy, uneven look. You can shade the fries by adding darker line or shading no one side to give them depth and texture. Step 4. Add texture and shadows to make the fries look realistic. You can add small lines or marks along the side of the fries to suggest they are fried and crispy. Lightly shade under the fries to give the container some depth and make the fries stand out more. Step 5. Color reference. If you are coloring your drawing, use a golden yellow or light brown color for the fries. The container be red. Okay, bye bye.